Greetings and salutations, and welcome to another Dose of Rita. I am your host, obviously, Rita. And today's date is December the 4th, I do believe. Because I think yesterday was the 3rd. Yeah, today's the 4th. And Alberta has had one heck of a blizzard. The whole province was covered from head to toe. And it's been difficult getting around. Now, I live North Calgary now. And I constantly see people on the internet complaining about not being able to get to the side streets. This is day 3 of the blizzard. Day 1, they did a fantastic job keeping the main arteries open. I mean, sure, there were a couple of fender benders where the big, semi-trucks went into the ditch because they couldn't take that corner. But other than that, the little cars getting stuck. The winds were phenomenally awful. And they made such, big drifts out there. Nobody could move, so on and so forth. This is why everyone's complaining about the side streets. Because, suburbanites, kids with or families with kids, or expectant mothers, and almost everybody in Airdrie is new, so that's kind of different. I have moved into an apartment, which you obviously know if you've watched any previous broadcasts, vlogs, whatever you want to call them, and got a new job. I can't believe I've been here in Airdrie for 5 months. August. So from July to August, September, October, November, December. 5 months I've been here. January will make 6 months. As I say, I can't believe how quick time passes, and that in and of itself is amazing. So I've started a job. Not a new job. I've only had 2 jobs since I've been here. And hopefully they will see that I'm a great worker, and they will move me up from part-time to full-time sooner rather than later. It'd be nice to have, a regular type of schedule, other than, all over the place, and I'm hoping to impress my supervisors / my bosses enough so that they will get that done for me. That would be sweet. I haven't done a car broadcast for all. You can tell how cold it is. I've got a scarf. We're not going to mention the fact that I don't have any gloves on at the moment, but that's because I'm vlogging. But yeah, it's the snow removal is something else. I am fortunate enough to live in an apartment building that is, on the main route, so I've been able to get to work where other people haven't. So I think that's kind of cool. And the machinery equipment you hear is, they're actually doing snow removal. I hope you were able to see that, because if not, I just made this less interesting. And yeah, this is my first vlog in a while. Vlog, potato. And yeah, my life is pretty cool, and it's pretty great. And there's nothing more I can really say about it. It's fantastic. It's been a great move. My skin has attempted to clear up a little bit. I have a Christmas party on Saturday. I get to go to a Christmas party. I'm making the gluten-free dessert. I'm making the gluten-free dessert for it. I've decided to make cake balls in a variety of flavors. I know I should probably just stick to one, but I want to impress everybody with my skill in baking. So that's it for me. Thank you guys for listening, and we will see you next Dose of Rita.